Thank you for choosing Ironside Computers. Today we're going to be doing a video demonstration of order number 3016. We're going to be shipping this computer shortly, but before we do, we're going to be showing you the internals of your computer and that each part is new and undamaged. And we're going to be running a quick stress test to show the computer is fully operational. If you have any questions, please contact us at customer service at ironsidecomputers.com. Taking a look at the outside of the computer, for your case you selected the Cooler Master HAF 932. Now we're going to boot the computer up, and then we're going to take a look inside and show you the parts that you ordered. Now that the computer is booted up, let's take a look inside. Taking a look inside the computer, first thing you'll notice is your Asetek 570LX liquid cooling unit, cooling an Intel Core i7-3770K processor. Beside that, you have 16 GB of Corsair engine 1600 MHz RAM. For your graphics card, you selected the Nvidia Geforce GTX 780. And this has all been installed on a P8Z77-VLX motherboard by ASUS. For fans, you selected 3 red Cooler Master Sickleflows. They've been installed on your radiator and on the bottom to push the air upwards towards the graphics card. Powering your system, you selected the Corsair TX850. We've upgraded you to the modular edition, which allows for much better wire management and airflow overall in the case. And for storage, you selected a Corsair Force Series 3 180GB SSD, along with a 3TB 7200 RPM hard drive. Cooling this hard drive is an aluminum hard drive cooling fan. Taking a look at the front of the computer, you have 4 USB 2.0 ports, FireWire, eSATA, your headphone and mic jack, your Blu-ray reader, DVD writer, and 2 USB 3.0 ports. Taking a look at the back of the computer, starting from the top, you have 2 USB 2.0 ports, PS2, HDMI, optical out, DVI and VGA, 2 USB 3.0 ports, 2 USB 2.0 ports, Ethernet, and your various audio jacks. And below that, we have the ports for your graphics card. Now when plugging in your monitor, please disregard all the ports on your motherboard. You're going to want to use the ports on your graphics card. You have 2 DVI, HDMI, and display. Taking a look at the top of the computer, you have your power button and your reset button. Taking a look at the desktop, now we're going to be showing you the parts of the computer you couldn't see. Going into Explorer, you'll see your 180GB SSD, along with your 3TB secondary hard drive. Going into System Properties, your Intel Core i7-3770K processor with 16GB of RAM. This has been installed on Windows 7 Home Premium. And in Device Manager, your Nvidia GeForce GTX 780. Now we're going to be running the stress test. Stress tests are designed to heavily stress the computer, including the graphics card and the processor. We typically let these tests run for up to 8 hours, but for this video we're going to just be letting it run for about 2 to 3 minutes, just to show your computer working at full load. As you can see, all the components in your computer are working properly and the computer is fully operational. Now we're going to be shutting down the system. And that will conclude this video. Again, if you have any questions, please contact us at customer service@ironsidecomputers.com.